Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you very important home remedy. So guys can see these three items here is very necessary for you and me. So guys can see as all of them they have name. Can see hibiscus keys. See the thing that inside. We have spring onion, dry spring onion. Can see zobo, I can see clove inside the mix. It's very rich. This one here is Force City. So guys can see. Let's see what is inside. Can see cinnamon is inside. Even some cloves is inside too. And I see some ginger inside. Dry one. So this one is let's check the third one. See, Sweet Dream. Let's check what is inside. Wow, can see this one's also dry onion, even ginger and garlic, dry one here. So guys can see these three items. So how to do it? You put your water on the fire or plug it in the kettle. If you have jug like this, if you don't have this type, if you have that mug, that thin mug. See, give me this thing. That Jennifer, this thing now. So if you have something like this, if you have something like this, the only thing you do, watch me very carefully. You have your tin cup. This is your tin cup. So you now open your tin pot. You take your spoon. Can see, you take 1 spoon of this one, Sweet Dream. You put inside. You take 1 spoon of you like, you fill it. You like, you take half. It depends the quantity you want. You put, you take again from this one, and see, then you mix the three together. After you mix them together, you now pour your boiled water. Let's go and put the water now. See my water in the kettle. See, now put it. After you soak it, you leave it like 5 minutes. Understand? Leave it like 5 minutes, so that if you leave it like 5 minutes to soak very well, then you take your tin cup and fish. Can take it in the morning, early morning before taking anything. Can take it in the night before go to bed after your meal. So let's keep on washing. So guys, if you have filter, you can put it, then you pour it. And see the quantity you drink. Oh, you say you go and fill this thing. Wow, see the color, very sweet. Don't add sugar, don't add honey, just take it natural like this. Don't add anything. Morning and night, first thing in the morning, last thing in the night, before anything. Use it, take it for 1 week. If you have big tummy, you see the result, and it will make your skin very fresh. And not this body pain, my waist they pain me, my leg, my hand. If you keep on taking it, you see the result. Everything will work perfect and you get yourself. So it's very hot. Immediately this one cold, don't drink it hot. Allow it to stay warm before taking it. So if I'm taking this one now, it will burn my mouth, so I'll leave it to warm, then I'll drink it. So this is how you use it. And see 3 of them here. It's very rich home remedy. Please, if you want to get it, go to supermarket, look for it, you see it. Day 3 for pack. The cover is soap water, so the cover spoil. If not, I'll show you guys. This is how it be in the carton. You just go, they will show you, and you buy it. Take it in your home and use it. Please don't go without comment, subscribe, like. I love you guys. We meet again in my next video. Bye.